In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful and especially merciful, dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome in today's class 7th, subject Geography, chapter number 6, topic Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Number 1. Answer the following questions. Part first. Which are the two factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depends? Answer. The growth of vegetation depends on climate and soil type. Temperature determines the character and extent of vegetation. Different types of soil have different vegetation. Part number second. Which are the three broad categories of natural vegetation? Answer. The three broad categories of natural vegetation are forests, grasslands, and shrubs. Part third. Name the two hardwood trees commonly found in tropical evergreen forest. Answer. Rosewood and ebony are the two hardwood trees commonly found in tropical evergreen forests. Part number fourth. In which part of the world tropical deciduous forest is found? Answer. Tropical deciduous are the monsoon forests found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and Central America. Part fifth. In which climatic conditions are citrus fruits cultivated? Answer. Citrus fruits are the product of Mediterranean type of climate. These regions have hot summers and mild rainy winters. Part number 6. Mention the uses of coniferous forests. Answer. Coniferous forests are dominated by softwood trees. These woods are very useful for making pulp, which is used in the making of paper and newsprint. Matchbox and packing box are also made from softwood. Part number 7. In which part of the world is seasonal grassland found? Answer. Seasonal grassland is found in the places which are extremely cold. The growth of natural vegetation is very limited here. This type of grassland are found in North Europe, Asia, and North America. Question number second. Take the correct answer. Mosses and lichens are found in A. Desertic vegetation, B. Tropical evergreen forests, C. Tundra vegetation. Answer. Tundra vegetation. Number second. Thorny bushes are found in A. Hot and humid tropical climate, B. Hot and dry desertic climate, C. Cold polar climate. Answer. Hot and dry desertic climate. Number third. In tropical evergreen forest, one of the common animals is A. Monkey, B. Giraffe, C. Camel. Answer. Monkey. Part fourth. One important variety of coniferous forests is A. Rosewood, B. Pine, C. Teak. Answer pine. Part 5th. Grassland is found in South Africa, B. Australia, C. Central Asia. Answer Central Asia. Question number 3. Match the following: walrus, cedar, olives, elephants, campos, downs. A. Softwood tree. B. An animal of tropical deciduous forests. C. A polar animal. D. Temperature grassland in Australia. E. Thorny shrubs. F. A citrus fruit. G. Tropical grassland of Brazil. Answer. Part first. Walrus. Answer C. A polar animal. Cedar. Answer A. Softwood tree. Part third. Olives. Answer F part. A citrus fruit. Part fourth. Elephants. Answer B part. An animal of tropical deciduous forest. Part fifth. Campus. Answer G. Tropical grassland of Brazil. Part sixth. Downs. Answer temperature grassland in Australia. Question number 4. Give reasons. The animals in polar region have thick fur and thick skin. Answer. The animals in polar regions are well insulated by thick layer of fat and dense fur in order to keep the body warm. Part second. Tropical deciduous trees shed their leaves in the dry season. Answer. Due to long dry season, the trees in these forests shed their leaves. Falling of leaves helps the plant in conserving the moisture from evap- evapotranspiration. Part third. The type and thickness of vegetation changes from place to place. Answer. The type and thickness of vegetation changes from place to place because of change in temperature and rainfall, soil type, and nature of relief. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।